How do you say thank you in French? The phrase thank you in French is merci, merci. For example, merci, j'ai aimé le cadeau. Merci, j'ai aimé le cadeau. Thank you, I liked the present. You can add a word to the end of merci, and you get merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup means thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. The word merci can be used to mean thank you or simply thanks. Merci pour ton aide. Merci pour ton aide. Thanks for your help. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. Merci comes from the Latin word mercedem, meaning a reward or wages. So saying merci was originally a way of saying I'm repaying you or rewarding you with gratitude. Merci.